sentence. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So find your star, your second star, and let's learn the 5 words we're going to write. Our sentence is, she will sit with her. She will sit with her. Let's start with the first 2 words. She will. Say those with me. She will. Write she here now under the first dot and will under the second dot. She will. She will. She will sit with. Our next 2 words are sit and with. Write sit under the third dot and with under the fourth dot. Do that now. Sit with. She will sit with. Make sure you have sit here and with here. Our last word is the word her. Write her under this dot that's on the second line. So it says she will sit with her. Your last word is her. She will sit with her. Check that you see an end mark at the end of your sentence, a period, exclamation mark, or question mark, and check to see if you have a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence. Let's check to see how you did now. All right, here's our sentence. She will sit with her. Just a minute, you're going to pause the video and you're going to check to see if your sentence matches mine. Put a check mark in the circles above each word if it matches mine. Pause the video now. After you've checked, you are all done with this lesson.